Hello, Tiny Reviewer friends. It's Tiny Reviewer. Today we're reviewing. Good thing the lid doesn't have the name on it. Can you guys see it? Kind of, hopefully. Garlic sauce, Thai noodles from Trader Joe's. Nutrition facts and ingredients contains soy, wheat, coconut, and anchovy. The price is $2.49. So there is like a notch here that I could tear open. Oops. This part's okay. Oh, it's like a mini kit. Let's see what we have in here. This is kind of watery. That's probably like the broth or the base of it. It's kind of watery, it's squishy. And that's the noodles, and that's it. Let's cook it. So we took the noodles out of its packet, and now I'm gonna pour in the sauce. Well, we think it's the sauce. Oh, not so what as I thought it would be. It smells pretty good. There you go, that'll make you see it. So you put this in the microwave for a minute and then 30 seconds, and I'm gonna stir with chopsticks. Trying to keep the camera still, because I'm holding the camera right now. So I'm trying, not a camera woman, so I'm trying my best to hold the camera still, but it's not working so great. Hopefully you guys don't get the camera sickness. Alright. So we're gonna pour on this plate because the little bowl that comes with it is a bit hot. Here it comes. Some people say this is not so good, taste, but I'm not sure because it's my first time tasting it too. So I have another lunch, but I'm just tasting. My father got some in his plate too, so we're gonna eat it together. I'm very excited, but I'm not sure it will taste so great. Alright, so I'm gonna just take one piece of the noodle. It tastes a bit of garlic. It's pretty chewy too. So my father tastes a lot of sweetness, but there is not a lot of saltiness in this noodle. So I do not really like it, like I thought I would. So good thing too, I have another lunch ready for me, so I'll just eat that. Oh, my lunch is also reviewed, uploaded already. So over here, you guys will be able to check that out, because that is my lunch. I'm not telling you what it is because it is suggested above, and you'll be able to see it. Hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy this as well. So if you like this video, please subscribe and press the like button, and check out many other videos I already uploaded. Bye!